Hi all, welcome back to Fine Craft Studio. Today we will be doing a decorative flower vase or vase using the cardboard pieces. I'll tell you how to cut this. For this you'll have to take the round piece of cardboard and then mark on the edges. Now take any kind of lid and then mark a half round. It will be like a oval shape. Okay, mark according to it and then cut these by marking the center. You will get it like this. The approximate measurement what I'm using is 3.5 in the bottom. The plus one is 15 centimeters and the total length is 19 centimeters. Okay, just take in paper tape and then seal the outer edges like this, so that you don't have to put in a lot of texture pastes inside. You'll get a better coverage. Make sure you just cover the entire piece, the oval piece. It's done. Now let's stick it to the bottom roll like this. I'm just using Fevibond over here. You can use glue gun or Fevicol. Just apply a thick coat of Fevibond on this side, only one side alone. And then stick it like this. Leave it for 5 minutes, let it get settled. Now I'm just going to give a slanting cut on the bottom. It will stand like a photo frame. Okay, so I'm just going to give this angle cut like this. Just do it like this and then adjust it and then cut it using a scissors. Yeah, now it is standing. So I'm just going to cover the same like how I did for the face part. I'm just going to do it for the bottom vase also, the back one. The next is I'm just going to give a layer of texture paste to give a strength to the cardboard, or you can also use white cement and give one thick coat on top. Either you can use texture paste or you can use that. I'm using my own texture paste. If you're using the one I'm using, it dries quicker. While working itself, it will dry quicker. So you need not wait for the process. So you can just continue the process as well. On the back also I'm just giving, and to the round part also I'll be giving. Only a thin layer. Don't give too thick because we will be using a clay to hide all these things. Okay. To give a smooth texture, I'm just using a little bit of water so that it will be even all over. Once you're done, let it dry for 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, it is dried. It will be in this color, a pure white color only. I'm just going to use clay over here. This is a cement clay. I'll be putting a video on this type of clay soon. You can just follow the recipe on it. These are best. You can instantly work on it. Okay, I'm just rolling it into a long round cylinder round, and I'm just going to put on the outer edge like this. Make sure you just give in a border kind of thing like this. Okay, just adjust it like this. To give a smooth edge, you just use brush with little bit of water and then smoothen it like this. And this is done. I've completed the outer ring. Now I'm just going to do the division like this, the face. It's done. The next is two nose, a small rounds. 2 rounds will do like this. The next I'm just going to put in the eye. First I'll do the center one, the eyeball, and then the outer one, lids, like this. The eyes are done. Next is the lip. I'm just going to put in a cross lip like this. These are ceramic vase actually. You can see these kinds of face vases in online market. I'm just recreating it using the homemade products, which is available inside the home. There are various types of vases in this. I'll be putting a video on those also in my upcoming videos. You can see that. Okay, the face is dried. I'm just going to give a white paint to it. It is not that you have to give the white paint. You can give light brown color also, because they come in these shades only. Or you can give very effective, very beautiful bright colors also. If you're using this clay, the clay which I'm going to tell you, it doesn't take time to dry. It just dries within 2 to 3 hours. It's completed, and let it dry. Once you're done painting, let it dry. This will look like this. The final product will be like this. Hope you like my project. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.